This is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and today I want to talk about my favorite momentum stocks for this week. If you're interested in learning trading strategies that work in today's markets, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So we continue to be in a good backdrop when it comes to the indices. We like to see stock indices and individual stocks that we want to trade above their 50-day moving averages and the 50-day moving average above this red line, which is a 200-day moving average. It's also nice if we've had a period of consolidation and then we're breaking out to new 52-week highs or new all-time highs. So that's what I look for in general. SPY, S&P 500 looking quite good. The NASDAQ, a little bit weaker. It's really in a trading range, but maybe perking up from here. Same as the Dow Jones Industrials, DIA, and then the small caps as well. We've really been in a trading range as far as the indices are concerned for most of this year. Meanwhile, some of the more speculative names that we've relied on, such as the names that are often in the ARK ETF, we can see the ARK ETF here had a death cross where the 50-day moving average crossed below the 200-day moving average. And so there's been a rotation out of these more speculative, often software names or biotech names into old economy names. And we talked about this last time as well. ETFs, sectors like the financials, the banks have been doing quite well. XLF would be the ticker for this. My favorite bank continues to be Silicon Valley Bank, where I used to live. And this is a nice way of getting a play also on startups in the Bay Area. This is SIVB. And we can see again that it's got a great chart trading above the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average. Another sector that's doing really well is energy. We've seen a big spike up in crude oil, and this has helped all the oil producers. XLE would be the ETF sector way to play. This is the energy sector in the S&P 500. Looks like it might be breaking here to breaking out of this consolidation that it's been in. Some individual names within the index you can take a look at. ExxonMobil, XOM, British Petroleum, BP. Looks like it's also really grinding higher out of a sideways consolidation. So we had a consolidation at a lower level and then a consolidation at a higher level. So that one's looking quite strong. OIH is a way to play the oil services companies that also benefit from a lot of increased exploration. And PTR would be the Chinese stock way of playing this. PetroChina, of course. PTR chart looking really, really good here. In terms of tech names, as we said, it's been fairly quiet. Google, among all the FANG stocks, really has the strongest chart, breaking two new all-time highs here. So definitely one to keep an eye on. ANET, Arista Networks, which is a communications company. Really a bunch of strong daily bars, daily candlesticks in a row here. Very, very much powering higher. Then we've got a couple semi-names, ASML. This is one we've been talking about for a long time. Looks like it's breaking out of its sideways range as well, and much stronger than some of the other semi companies. This is actually a producer of semi equipment. ADI is another semi company, analog devices, breaking out of sideways consolidation as well. And then a couple biotech names. We can see that the whole index for biotech IBB, which we've talked about as a long-term investment as well, really perking up in the last few days after having bounced off the 200-day moving average and now trading even above the 50-day moving average. A couple biotech names that have especially strong charts. NVO breaking to new all-time highs here and very good strength. Moderna, obviously a popular vaccine name, sort of a reopening play. mRNA, flirting with the 220 level here, and looks like it wants to do another leg higher. Finally, Pfizer. Really, we have the two major vaccine providers here for the COVID virus, Moderna and Pfizer. Pfizer, a little bit a slower mover, but showing really good strength here. A name that we talked about last time was T-Mobile. I mentioned that a lot of friends have been anecdotally moving to this, and this continues to power higher. This has been a really nice trade. TMUS. One way you can trade these is you can trade the breakout, and then you can set your stop at the previous level of that breakout. That could be your stop loss level, or you could use the 50-day or 200-day moving average as your breakout level. I talk about various strategies for trade momentum stocks and rocket stocks in my online courses at Trader University. I also list there my full list of favorite momentum stocks. I try to update this once or twice a week, and what it really is a copy of the pad of paper that's sitting on my desk. So when I have some free time, when I'm not traveling or without an internet connection, when I can really focus, this is my go-to list of names, mostly for swing trading, for multi-day holding periods, sometimes for a quick day trade here and there. If you join Trader University, you'll get access to this full list. I've just given you a selection of these tickers in this video. You'll also get access to all of my courses, including my flagship course, which will really take you from A to Z if you're just getting started in trading, learn to trade stocks like a pro, as well as my more advanced course, Momentum Stock Secrets. All in all, there are about 14 or 15 courses here. You get access to all of them, including Make Money with IPOs, learn to trade options if you want to lever up your momentum trades. Especially a nice one for momentum stocks is this course on how to swing trade with options and how to use various option constructions to lever up and also to control risk and to trade momentum stocks with better risk management. If you're interested in joining Trader University, click on the link in the description notes below. It'll take you to this page, and then you can click on any of these individual boxes, and it will take you to the curriculum, to the list of lectures. If you'd like to join, you can scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Get It Now. And that'll take you to this checkout page. Because you've listened this far in the video and because you're a YouTube subscriber, I'd like to give you a special coupon code you can use as well. Normally access to my list of momentum stocks and all my courses is just $125 for 30 days access. I want to give you a coupon code though. If you scroll down here on the checkout page and click Have a Coupon Code, you can type in YT as in YouTube 99. Click Update, and that'll take $26 off the price. You get access to everything for just $99. There are no long-term contracts or anything like that. You can watch all the courses, you can crib my momentum list, and then you can cancel before it renews. But if you do want to stick around, I'm constantly adding new courses, updating the momentum stocks list, as well as also you'll get access to my favorite long-term investments. I currently have 2 long-term investments in here. One of them is a commodity play, and the other is my favorite SPAC. So if you end up joining, be sure to check those out as well if you want to do a little less active trading and just see some of the other things that I'm invested in besides momentum stocks and besides Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish my next video. Let me know your questions and comments in the comment section below. And if there's some great momentum stocks that you happen to be following right now, drop them into the comment section so we can compare notes and in this way sort of pool our ideas and come up with the best list of momentum stocks to trade. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.